Now let's look at the information that needs to go with our figure 15-16, and we're going to look at the small typing that which ability to increase for you. But notice note 1 talks about positive polarity, and basically speaking, it has to be marked. I should say the conductors of the positive polarity has to be marked with a continuous outer red finish. Or you could have a continuous red stripe, doubly marked insulation, the entire length except green, white, gray, or black. So it's kind of telling you that the positive polarity has to be red. Or you could have an imprint, with a plus on it, or you could have a positive written on it, or POS, and not exceeding 24 inches. And an approved permanent means, such as sleeving or shrinking tubing that is suitable for the purpose and the use and conditions of use, would be okay. Now, the positive polarity, we're still looking, at sizes number 6 or smaller, in accordance with 215.12 C2A or B. And we're looking at B to NEC 215.12 C2 right now. And we're talking about the negative polarity. And it should be marked by one of the following means: continuous black outer finish, not red. That would be for the positive. A continuous black stripe that's durably marked along the entire length of the insulation, any color except green, white, gray, or red. And a permanent means sign could be on there minus or negative or NEG. And again, usually not exceeding 24 inches is what they want on it, so you can identify it and you won't cut it off, not be able to see it. And then finally, number 4, a permanent marking means, such as sleeving or any kind of shrink tubing that is suitable, again, for the purpose and conditions of use. And so now we've just looked at positive polarity, sizes number 6 or smaller, 215.12C2A, and negative polarity sizes number 6 AWG or smaller, in accordance with 215.2C2B. So what they're saying here, that DC circuits now require a identification or coloring as well as the AC, but you can't use the AC method of 310.10, say, to identify the DC circuits, and that's what this illustration is pointing out to you, 15-16.